Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube page. I'm your guy Jimmy Greenfield. And first of all, I know it's already past midnight as of now, but I just want to wish everyone out there a very happy 4th of July. Now I know as of now I came back from the fireworks, but I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. But in the meantime, I wanted to wish you all a happy 4th of July and hope you all got to see the fireworks for the night. And and yeah, I pretty much had a great 4th of July. I just spent some time with my family, with my cousin Ron's and Amanda's house, and of course there was my uncle Ron and Barry and my aunt Tim and Christian and Mike and my cousins Caleb and Noah and everyone else that came. But as of now, we actually went on top of this sort of garage to see the fireworks, and it was actually a very great thing. And I took a lot of selfies, as you can see there, a lot of selfies from here and there, and I was actually enjoying myself through the day, and when nighttime came about, I still had the flash so that way I could actually take the selfies. As you could see, there's that screen. But but yeah, I took a lot of selfies, and it was really fun. And this is a holiday that I'll never forget. And and the funny thing was is that my uncle Ron once said to me that this was one of his favorite holidays ever, and this became one of my other favorite holidays along with Halloween. But anyway, with that being said, I also want to share this collage video I actually put together. Now here's a collage video that I collected with the fireworks. But just to be warning with all you out there, it will contain a few strong language, swearing here and there, and also a lot of cheering and screaming. So just be aware of it. And whatever you do, sit back, relax, and enjoy the fireworks. Thank you.
That's it.
Oh, they're gonna light more off. 18 holes tomorrow, bro. I'm tapping out.
What?
Oh.
Nice! Yeah! Oh!
I just looked at mine too. It's like 3 minutes.
Don't worry, I got the guy on tape.
Why is she wearing shoes?
Because they hurt my feet. 1, 2, 3. Kenny, where's the chair?
Is that you?
I feel like I'm at the beach. I don't care.
What's Little Barry?
It's over those trees.
God damn it. It's almost 10 o'clock. Come on, Megan, George. Fucking
I got a fucking
fireworks. Well, still. Like
Oh, down there! Oh, there's one.
I found more.
Maybe. There's one down there. I thought they continue by the tree.
I will.
You know what?
What's the rush?
Hey, you know what?
There we go.
Finally.
There we go.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. Yeah! Yeah!
10 minutes of this.
Yeah, baby!
The beginning of it.
Boom! Boom goes the dynamite, boom! Yeah! 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 4th of July, everybody! And there you have it. The whole collage of the videos I recorded. The reason why I didn't record the whole thing was because that my battery was about to die at that point, and I decided I wanted to save enough footage to share with you guys. So that's pretty much what I have to say for this holiday. Happy 4th of July to all you guys. Hope you had a great holiday for red, white, and blue. And in the meantime, I'll see you all in my next video on what I did on Friday with my friends from the Band of Brothers. So happy 4th of July, everyone, and have a great night.